there, eh? We're coming live to you from the North Woods, don't you know, eh? Well, here, today we're talking about lighting, LED headlights. The story goes, last year, I was way up there, you know, near De Pere. Damn near hit a deer, eh? A 30-point buck, eh? I'm plowing, dropping the blade, almost hit her, eh? Oh, geez, I says to myself, oh, I need to get a better lights on the Billy here. And Billy says, hey, don't do that again there, eh? So today, we got these puppies. Got them off the eBay. That's right, the World Wide Web, eh? Don't you know? It's a big place. You get lost up there, eh? So I picked these puppies up, about 40 bucks. I said, that's a good deal. But the problem is, you need a wiring. The Samurai runs on a negative switching system. These guys here, positive. You gotta flip them around here, eh? The old switcheroo, don't you know? So today we're gonna show you, folks. On to the next step. Yo, YouTubers. So this is what's up. You guys get lost. You buy those headlights I was just showing you about way up there, you know, and you plug them in and they don't work. You need this wiring harness. You can snatch it up off of eBay or Amazon. 15-20 bucks. Don't ask me where to get it, because I'm going to tell you in the comments of the video. I'm going to post a link. You click on that link and you smash the buy button and it shows up at your house, and then you proceed with the rest of this video, and you're going to be blasting high beams, low beams, all that stuff. So this is the harness you need. It's going to switch you from positive to negative that the Samurai needs, the wiring system switcheroo, and now we're going to show you how to install the headlight and this switch right now in the next step. Okay, there's a lot of LED headlights to choose from on the World Wide Web, and that's up to you. They get expensive, cheap, whatever. I just bought some cheapies. It's old Billy. He's a snowplow. Who gives a hell? You know what I'm saying? So this is what I got. On the back of this style, there's this nub. When I originally put this in, this nub touched the inside of the headlight bezel, and I didn't like that. It kind of cockeyed the headlight just a hair. I didn't care for that. So I took a tin snips and I just notched this inside metal and bent it back just a touch so that when the headlight bulb sits, it's flush. Other styles might not have that. I don't know. Whatever you get, that's up to you. But this is what I did for such. Billy's got all this cool jazz going on in front of him for the snowplow, so I can't really remove the grill without taking out the wiring and stuff. So I'm just gonna do the old bend back. I'm gonna tuck my wires in there. I'm gonna bend her back, and I'm gonna slide that bulb inside. Just this chrome ring is all that holds the bulb in there. I'm leaving the cellophane on the headlight while doing this, as to not scratch the new bulb. And once you get her in there, then you're just gonna put your chrome ring back over, and there's three of these real small Phillips head screws. I took out two, which will allow you to bend the chrome ring back enough to put the headlight bulb in. Then you can put your chrome ring, pull this plastic bezel back, take your screwdriver, and install your other two screws that will hold the bulb in place. Then you can put your grill back in place, pull off your cellophane, and you'll be ready for the next step. Okay, your headlight's installed, buckled down with the three Phillips head screws. Now you've got your wiring harness you snatched up off of Amazon or eBay, or who knows where you got it, but you got it. And now we're gonna put this puppy in. So the long section here is gonna go to the driver's side. You can lay that across your radiator and set it to the side there. When it's all said and done, you can zip tie everything nice and tight. This comes with zip ties and everything to button it all together. Then you're gonna take the black plug here. This is gonna go to the old dirty, filthy, original headlight plug. So you're gonna plug that in there. Then this orange guy is gonna go to the new plug coming out of your LED headlights you just purchased. So you can plug her in like such. Then you're gonna have, these headlights at least have these headlights have turn signals and driver or daytime running lights and all that stuff, so you can plug those into your red and green wires that you have. And the final thing is your ground wire. These normally have a 10 millimeter here, but of course old Billy, she's rusty, she broke off, so I went with the self-tapper. I tapped her in. We're gonna put our ground wire underneath our self-tapper. Tapper. Then you've got your relays, and depending what you got going on here, this is where the factory air box would be, but of course Billy's running the also hated Weber there, eh? That Weber carb that pumps all that gas and power into the Samurai there, eh? Yeah, you guys hate it, but I love it. At least on a plow truck, eh? So I'm probably gonna put some self-tappers right in here on the old, where the factory air box went. I think I'm just gonna blaze them in right there. And then your power wire underneath your battery, whatever terminal, nice and clean. I like to put dielectric grease underneath all my terminals and everything to keep them from getting all corroded. So that's basically the setup. And then again, you're gonna wanna neatly tuck in all your wires so the fan blade don't eat them up. Same thing on this side, exactly the same scenario. And then you're gonna be all wired up, tuck everything away so it's nice and neat. Or, you know, neat enough for the girls you go out with, eh? All right, let's go to the next step, show you how these headlights work. Here's Tony. Let's test out those lights, baby. Got them running lights, them headlights, them bright lights. Now you're running them LEDs. It's just that simple, gang. Again, I'm gonna post that link on the comments. You guys have been calling and texting me and thanking me for all the videos. It's truly appreciated. We love you guys over at Highway 83. It's Miller time. We're about to watch the Green Bay Packers just destroy the Detroit Lions. We're hoping, at least. And we're gonna drink a ton of beer and drive Billy around in victory, shouting and plowing stuff and just having a great old time over at Highway 83. So you know how it goes. It goes with the See you next video, guys.